Opposition to mining projects in Chhattisgarh is intensifying, with several civil society groups alleging that the state government is sidelining peaceful and democratic protests and instead relying on heavy police deployment to push mining operations. The growing anger among tribal communities has sharpened the conflict on the ground. Alok Shukla, a longtime advocate for tribal rights and a prominent voice in the Jal, Jungle, Zameen movement, has openly criticized political leaders, accusing them of limiting themselves to mere rhetoric while avoiding any real responsibility or action. Activists claim that in the past 2 years, the government's focus has shifted towards handing over tribal forest land to private companies. Despite an inquiry report highlighting alleged irregularities in the Gram Sabha resolution for Hasdeo Aranya, authorities reportedly deployed large police forces to facilitate the felling of trees for the Parsa and PEKB coal blocks. Preparations for another round of tree cutting are said to be underway. In Raigarh, mining operations at the Gapelma coal block have already begun after tree clearing, despite continued public resistance. Residents are now opposing the fresh public hearing for Gapi ELMA-1, scheduled despite earlier objections. Recently, during the public hearing for the Ambuja Adani project, villagers were forced to block the road and stage a sit-in, alleging high-handedness by the administration. A similar situation unfolded in Mainpath, where a public hearing for bauxite mining was conducted amid intense protests. In Bastar, preparations for mining around Nandaraj Hill continue even after the cancellation of the allegedly fraudulent Gram Sabha resolution. Several organizations have expressed concern over the Chief Minister's silence on what they describe as repeated violations of tribal constitutional rights. They allege that the current situation in Chhattisgarh is unprecedented in the past 25 years. Some Congress leaders, DIU, have confined themselves to issuing statements instead of taking substantive steps. With tensions rising, observers expect the mining-related protests to escalate further in the coming weeks. Story by Satyaprakash Pandey, Today Chhattisgarh.